A Magical Christmas Time is a selection of products from our friends at Hunkydory. What they have is a large deco card kit, and I'll walk you through all of that. There is a little book of the Magical Christmas Time. There's also all of these cutting dies, my goodness, titled Christmas Wishes, and then also a Magical Christmas Time inserts that coordinate with the die cuts. So let me bring these over and show you step by step what's in our card kit. So Magical Christmas Time, and you can see, as always, there is an insert with ideas and more information on the back. Now, the large deco, the way that works is that you're going to get these sheets, and you'll see on this there's an image, there's borders, there's greetings and so forth. Now, to coordinate with this, you're going to get another sheet that has the individual pieces broken out. The idea with the large deco, it's kind of like paper toll, where you would pop this out and then maybe, so that's the largest one, then you would pop out the next largest one, foam tape it over its matching image, foam tape this over to the base piece, and you would continue doing that, just going from the largest piece down into the very smallest, which is going to be the hats and the gloves and the scarves and so forth. So that's what you can do. Now, here's a tip, just in case it didn't occur to you this moment, is that you don't have to use everything on one image. You could take this image and maybe alternate the pieces and create 2 cards out of these 2 sheets. Yes, that's allowed. Now, in the kit, there's also a piece of adorable scoreable. This is the cardstock that absolutely matches. So that's all very nice. So let me walk you through all of the pieces that are in this set. And here is the next one. So again, you can see this is the finished piece, and then there's all of these bits and pieces that you can foam tape. And then of course, there is the matching adorable scoreable. So here's another one, absolutely charming, 2 little kids playing. And here are the die cut and foiled, of course, pieces. The greetings are on there too, and then this is the cardstock. Here is another. So they're all just really charming, charming imagery. And there you go. And then here is the cardstock. And here's another, just hugging her snowman. And then there are all the other little bits and pieces and the cardstock. Here we have a nativity set with the children. And again, same thing with the foil die cuts and the cardstock. Here we go. Here is Santa. Looks like he's telling some tall tales there. And more of the die cuts and the cardstock. Very nice. And here we have this sweet little girl and all of these pieces and more of the cardstock. Yes, I think I should have counted these. I thought there were 12, but gosh, there might even be more. So just sweet looking in the toy shop, longingly, I would imagine. And then there's the cardstock, and then sledding out, seeing Santa up in the sky. And then here is the cardstock, and I think that we're getting toward the end. Here we go with the snow. Man, there's a lot in this. I bet there are hundreds of foil die cuts. And again, your cardstock, rolling up a giant snowball. And here we have them. And the final one with the last of the adorable scoreable. So all of this is in this set. Now, to coordinate with it, there are the inserts. Now, the inserts are the pieces of adorable scoreable I just showed you, but they're ghosted back. They're perfect to go on the inside of the card. That's why they're called inserts. But aha, you can also use them on the front of your card. Now this has 12 designs, and again, it matches the artwork that we just saw. So I will flip through this as quickly as I can, and just to show you each of these so that you really know what you're getting. So it's just the same thing. There's some imagery over here sometimes, or in the middle, just makes it fun, or in the corners. Okay, so that is the inserts. Now, also to coordinate, there is this magical time. This is a little book of, and here There are 144 sheets. We're going to get in closer. Thank you, Steve. And so they're padded at the top. You can see it's quite thick. These are printed on one side, and there are 6 of each, so 6 of each design. So by the way, in the Magical Christmas Time topper set, there are 314 foiled die cuts, 12 printed cardstock, and 12 foiled and die cut toppers, those smaller pieces. Okay, you saw the 12 inserts. Now we're going to go to the Magical Christmas Time, this little book of. So let me show you what's in here. And this measures 4 1/4 by 5 7/8. And this is a thick puppy, you can see. They're padded at the top. There are going to be 24 designs. You're going to get 6 of every single one. So let me show you what they look like. And we'll start here. These are printed on one side, as you can see, and there's just a wide variety of art, and that's really kind of fun to see. And because everything is Christmas time, as you can see, and little nativity set. You'll recognize that some of this art is from the Magical Christmas Time. So that's why just larger imagery so that you can use it as you wish. I keep going back and forth, don't I? There's horizontal and vertical imagery. And there's a Christmas tree and little goose girl with her flock looking at Santa up there. And by the way, that sound you heard, that beeping, well, that's your packages leaving here at Hot Off at Paper Wishes. And it looks like there's a train coming too, so it's a busy, busy time. And there's some more snowman coming down Christmas morning and looking in the toy store and playing music. So again, you're going to get 6 of each one. And last but not least, there are these die cuts. There are 45 right here. And you can see just all kinds of Christmas greetings, a smaller size so that it's really easy to use. These are called Christmas wishes. So a Magical Christmas Time, the small book. You also have a Magical Christmas Time large deco kit and the Magical Christmas Time inserts. Everything coordinated, and all of it from our friends at Hunkydory.